Several certifications can enhance your profile as a web developer. 1. AWS Certified Developer Associate.
Demonstrates proficiency in cloud-based development, useful for deploying web applications.
2. Certified Full Stack Web Developer. Offered by various platforms, this certification covers both front-end and back-end development.
3. Google Professional Certificates.
Google offers certificates in various areas like web development, mobile development. 4. Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate. Focuses on developing solutions on Microsoft Azure, relevant for web developers. 5. Certified Scrum Master CSM.
Understanding agile methodologies and Scrum can be beneficial for collaborative development.
6. CIW Web Development Professional. Covers a range of web development skills and technologies. 7. Oracle Certified Professional Java SE Programmer.
If you work with Java for web development, this certification can be valuable.
8. Front-end Web Developer Nanodegree Udacity.
A comprehensive program covering essential front-end development skills. 9. Back-end development with Node.js Udemy.
Focuses on back-end development using Node.js,
a popular JavaScript runtime.
10. Professional Scrum Developer PSD. Focuses on software development using Scrum, emphasizing practical skills. Choose certifications based on your career goals and the technologies you work with. It's often beneficial to balance general web development skills with certifications specific to your preferred tech stack. What specific area are you interested in, or any particular technology you'd like to certify in?